Okay, so unlock your car, and when you unlock your car, you see that small light right there. Okay, now let's go look at this side. You see that small light out there? It's not on. Right there. It's not on. Replace that light bulb. It's easy. Watch. So what you do is you pop this open, which is real easy to do, and you replace that light right there. Okay? Hey, what up everybody? This your boy from the burbs. Anyway, check this out. So we're going to try to change the light. We have an issue here. BMW is saying that I have, well, never mind. These newer BMWs are a lot more reliable, okay? Not like the older BMWs, but you still have issues on these cars, okay? Like this parking issue, you know what I mean? So I'll show you here in a second. And as you can tell, we have a small issue here, parking lamp issue, which is not a real big issue, but you may want to take care of it. It's real easy to do. So what we're going to do is we're going to drive and we're going to find a place to O'Reilly's or O'Reilly's Auto Parts. And we're going to find a parking lamp, which is a little tiny lamp. And the only way to see this lamp is that when you, before you start your car, when you unlock your car, your lights go on. That's the only way you can actually see the parking lamp. And I'm not seeing O'Reilly's here. Man, where the heck is O'Reilly's at, dog? Dang, brother, trying to find O'Reilly's up in here, and there's not O'Reilly's. Shit. Where's AutoZone, dog? Where? Ooh, there's a nice pub. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go hit that pub right quick. Have a few cold ones up in there, and then we'll talk in a minute. Bye. Ooh, top of the morning to you laddies. I mean, evening to you laddies. I'm back, and I'm ready to go. We were making a video. I forgot. We were making a video about. Oh yes, O'Reilly's. No, not O'Reilly's. I believe. All right, parking lamp issue. We still have this parking lamp issue we're gonna take care of. Let's go find an AutoZone, O'Reilly, any kind of auto parts store. I like O'Reilly's because they're kind of cheap. But let's go. Get. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to do this. We're gonna do this quick and easy. I'm gonna show you how to do this, how to fix this. You should probably know how to do this, but I'm gonna walk out and I'm gonna show you how to change the light bulb, where it is, how to check it, and all that in a second here. Hi everybody, so listen up. So remember the moment. I'm not gonna waste your time. Real quick, we're gonna get this done right quick, and I'm gonna show you what light to look at, why do you have a check engine light. All right, so as you can see my vehicle right there, all the lights are on, but that's not what I'm talking about. I'm gonna put my car in park. I'm gonna switch my car off. All right, car off. I'm gonna take my key. I'm gonna show you this. Watch. Unlock. All right, you see that light right there on the right side? That light, there's a little light next to that orange light. And look at that side. That little light's not on. I'm gonna walk out, I'm gonna show you how to do this, all right? Okay, so unlock your car. And when you unlock your car, you see that small light right there? Okay, now let's go look at this side. You see that small light out there? It's not on. Right there. It's not on. Replace that light bulb. It's easy. Watch. So what you do is you pop this open, which is real easy to do, and you replace that light right there. Okay? Okay, so you twist this way, lefty loosey, and then easy twist this. So what you do with this is how it comes out like that. All you do is twist, you see these little, and you're good. Boom. There's the part number. Okay, here we go. $7. $7. All right, so the new one's in. Let's put it back in. Twist to your right, gently. There we go. You hear that click, and you're done. Hey, what up, everybody? So, hopefully that helps. Rate, like, subscribe, holla at your boy. If you like, subscribe. I mean, I'm not gonna like make you, even though I can say subscribe or else.